The summer's calling.
Hey everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel, or if you're new, hello, welcome. I'm Jack, but when I'm in drag, I go by Luna Rose, because I'm the flower that blooms at night. And today I'm starting off my little rainbow colourful series by serving you a full-on rainbow drag transformation. I just really felt like playing in makeup today and doing something really draggy and dramatic and full-on rainbow smoky eye realness, so this is the look that I came up with. I really hope you guys enjoy this transformation. If you do, please give it a thumbs up. Comment down below any other looks you want to see from me. And don't forget to subscribe to a bitch and hit that notification bell to tell you when I upload. There should be one new video every single Monday, 8 PM Greenwich Mean Time. But like I said, make sure that bell's hit since I'm in a full-on creative draglicious mode. So there's bound to be bonus days. I really hope you guys enjoy this transformation and I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Work. Okay, let's get this transformation started, shall we? So I'm going to be starting this look off by doing my eyes first, and then I'm going to shave my face and do my face makeup afterwards. I first just started by taking a little bit of my highlighting foundation shade and setting it down with some white setting powder just to brighten it up. For my eyes, I decided to do my left eye with the red on the outer wing and then into orange and yellow. So I took the red from the James Charles and Morphe palette and mixed it with a little bit of Love Plus from Sugar Pill and just heavily winged that out. For the central colour, I went in with Flamepoint from Sugar Pill, and then for the inner corner, I went in with a Butter Cupcake, also from Sugar Pill. And then just slightly blended kind of in between each step just to merge all the colours. For the outer portion of my right eye, I went in with Poison Plum from Sugar Pill. For the blue, I used Velocity, and for the inner corner, I went in with Acid Berry, also from Sugar Pill. Once I was happy with kind of how everything was looking and how dramatic it all looked, I carved out my eyelid space using my NARS Creamy Concealer, and then I set that down with the Milani Vanilla Pigment Eyeshadow, just so it didn't crease around as much on me. It still did crease in the end a little bit, especially when I put my eyeliner on, but we'll get over it. From here, I just quickly shaved my face and managed to cut a very small piece of it, which would not stop bleeding the entire transformation. But for my base, I just went in with my usual Kryolan TV Paint Sticks in the shade 3W for my base, Ivory for my highlight, and 7W for my contour shade, and set it all in place using my Coty Loose Airspun powder. For my lower lash, I took those same colours that I use on the upper crease area and just basically smoked and blended them out along my lower lash line. I made everything super dramatic since I wanted this rainbow look to be very draglicious, extra, and you know, we're playing with a rainbow smoky eye, so it's not going to look the most natural or subtle. For contour and bronzing, I went in with my Makeup Revolution highlight and contour kit and heavily chiseled out my face features as well as my breast contour. I bronzed up using the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer and then heavily applied a blush from Makeup Geek. For my lips, I lined them with the Earth Lip Liner from BH Cosmetics and filled it in with this Maybelline Superstay lipstick. From here, I forgot to apply highlighter, so I just drenched my skin in the Pearl highlighter from the Anastasia Glow Kit, as well as drenched my entire body in it. And then that is the finished transformation. The lashes I applied were the 301s from Give Face Cosmetics, which I applied very wonky, but yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this first Rainbow Series transformation, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching!
As we wait for the smoke to clear and we watch our dreams appear, I know that we can rise together. This vision that we share is ours. Together we can touch the stars. I know that we will see December. 'Cause when it's all over, the love that you give will be there to guide you.